Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce my name Sofiatul Uyun, student ID number 28. Here I will explain a little about of the theme of the quiz lecturer that was explained yesterday. The first theme is challenge in starting a business for beginners, and the second, sharpening leadership skills to build entrepreneurial spirit in students. Next, I will take expert activity in discussing this task. The theme that I took was entitled Strategy to Carry Out Coffee Export Activity in Developing the Entrepreneurial Spirit. Export trade activity is an industry that continues to grow in the millennium era. Each country certainly competes in increasing its export activity by increasing the product of good and quality, improving ecology and information, as well as the facilities provided by the government in supporting export trade activity in their country. The first strategy to increase business. In doing a business, of course, there is a strategy that must be done so that the business or business can run according to what is expected, especially if someone is just starting his business. The strategies that are often faced in business are number one, strengthen the intention to do a business so that the business runs smoothly. Number two, identify existing market activities. Number three, build finance or capital to be used. Number four, build good relationship between customer. Before exporting to others country, make sure we are on good terms with customer who are in the country. Number five, dare to be different from other products or competitor. Number six, looking for partner who have the same vision and mission and have the same goals to develop the business. The second, tips for become a business leader. Before we start a business venture and become a leader for its employees, it helps us to be able to become a leader for ourselves, namely, number one, be honest with yourself. Number two, setting target. Number three, become a learner. Number four, always think positive. Number five, be humble towards anyone. After we have implemented this, then we can become leader for a business that I will be carried out. Along with the times, of course, social media has been widely used and has understood how to use it. With social media, doing business can be done easily. The third, the function of social media for a business are: number one, can build communication between buyers remotely. Number two, can easily share activities and information via social media. And number three, can facilitate buying and selling transaction online remotely. The commodity to be selection for export is coffee. Coffee is a plantation commodity that is included in the strategy commodity category in Indonesia. Indonesia is the world's fourth largest coffee export with an 11% market share in the world. Indonesia coffee product reaches 600,000 tons per year and more than 80% comes from smallholder plantation. This is what makes our coffee product have advantage in production compared to other countries. Although Indonesia has 270 million people who are also coffee consumers, around 60 to 70% of Indonesian coffee bean product is reported to be exported to the global market. This means that there is still a large capacity to export coffee even though domestic coffee consumption is also high. The Central Statistic Agency notes that in 2020, coffee export in Indonesia reached $809.2 million. This value decreased 7.8% from the previous year's which reached $872 million. This United States is the main destination for Indonesian coffee export with a value $202 million or 25% of total coffee export in 2020. That's all for me. More or less I apologize. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.